Hello and welcome to Nerd Bytes. In this episode, we'll discuss one way to find your Pixie instrumented services in the New Relic UI and dive a little bit deeper into the data. With Pixie Autotelemetry, you can get instant observability into your services without an APM agent. When using New Relic's integration with Pixie, you'll be able to see this telemetry data in context alongside other telemetry being collected by New Relic. So let's start by looking at the Kubernetes Cluster Explorer. In this UI, New Relic pushes cluster status to you and helps draw your attention to potential issues. Here I'm looking at one of the cluster nodes, and I'm able to easily understand resource consumption and current capacity of the node. This data is collected by New Relic's infrastructure agent running as a daemon set in the cluster. Let's say I'm a developer responsible for the catalog service, and I want to understand response time, error rate, and throughput for my service. I can simply use the search in the Cluster Explorer to identify where the catalog service is running and pull up detailed information about that service. In this panel, you'll see pod metadata, container metrics, and you can even drill directly into container logs if you choose to. As I scroll down, you'll see that New Relic and Pixie have automatically detected that there is a Pixie instrumented service running in this pod, and I can easily see the golden metrics. I'd like to take a closer look at this service, so I can click the See Service Details button to navigate to a summary view. In this view, I can start to drill a bit deeper into the data being ingested from Pixie. For example, I have a group by dropdown, which allows me to shape the data in multiple different ways. I can click into the service map if I want to get a better understanding of the relationships between services. This data is also being discovered by Pixie. The Transactions tab allows me to identify and understand individual transactions detected within the service and also leverage the group by dropdown to organize by HTTP method or status code, just as an example. And finally, the Databases tab helps me observe SQL queries happening within the service and provides helpful visibility into changes in behavior or performance issues. Because Pixie services are first-class entities in New Relic, they can be included in your workloads alongside other related entities to give you a full 360-degree view of the health of your application and all supporting components. More about workloads in a future Nerd Byte. This concludes today's Nerd Byte, where we use the Kubernetes Cluster Explorer to identify a Pixie instrumented service, and then we navigated into that service to learn more about its performance. New Relic's integration with Pixie helps developers reduce toil while still providing important visibility into the performance of Kubernetes-based services. Thanks for your time today, and I'll catch you in a future Nerd Byte.